I'm going to show you how to use your Apple Watch as a baby monitor without having to install any third-party applications. The setup is super simple. Take your iPhone, open up the camera, and set up your phone with the camera facing your baby. Make sure to set it up in a way that the phone doesn't fall and it's out of your baby's reach. Then open the camera remote app on your Apple Watch and you get a live feed of your little one directly on your Apple Watch screen. This is something my wife was using pretty often when our son was an infant. We considered buying a baby monitor until coming up with an idea to use a combination of iPhone and Apple Watch as a wearable baby monitor, and it worked great for us. So that's how you use your Apple Watch as a wearable baby monitor. Give it a try and let me know how it works. For more quick and useful tips like this, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.